Okay, the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone has come in, and it was Prime Day, so there was quite a bit of great deals, including two Samsung 128s Pros, super fast, 180 megabytes per second. So I picked up both of those. We'll need one for the controller, we'll need one for the drone. So let's open this puppy up and see what's in there. Got my handy dandy knife. I know Amazon Prime Days, crazy amount of deliveries. The app said 9 stops left, so I casually look out and I see the truck right down the road. I'm thinking, well, 9 left, I'm right next. Nope, we're gonna turn down the road, make another turn, go down a dead end, and then come back. So it's basically, instead of going right to our house, it took a right, went down to a dead end, did a bunch of stop there, come back, and I thought, well, it's coming back to me. Nope, it went around the other side of our road, did a stop, backed up out of the driveway, turned around. Anyway, not as efficient as you might imagine. Not only that, I'm sitting here waiting, like, give me my drone, man. It was a woman, and not that that has anything to do with what stops Amazon tells her to take. She looked absolutely exhausted. I can only imagine my kitty corner neighbor across the street had enough boxes where she fills up a container that was like 3 foot by 2 foot full up and then drags it all the way to the door. It's kind of amazing. Alright, so there's a little seal here. Once you open the seal, it's mine for good. Amazon has a good policy for return, so if there's something wrong, they'll fix it. Alright, the drone. There's not much in this box. I'm gonna tell you right away. There's the controller, which has got a built-in display. I chose for this one rather than the other one that is like the Mini 2, where it comes open and you put your phone there. Basically the same size as this, so this might be nice. Drone, that comes with extra blades, maybe a cable, maybe not. I don't know, let's find out, I guess, huh? There's the drone. And here's the corner controller. Step 1 is to rebuild my little thumb deals that I did for my Mini 2, because I really love those. And literally, that's it. This little box, I'm sure it has the blades in it. Just absolutely beautiful out tonight. And a couple of books in there mean nothing. One replacement blade set. Boy, I hope I don't have blades go bad. I didn't on the 2. Probably one on this. So a USB-C to USB-C cable, good enough, and a screwdriver to put the blades on. That's it. This is not a bundle. The bundle I got for the Mini 2 was from Costco. So let's get the drone open. I need to get both the controller and the drone charging without a bundle. I didn't get a charger. So you can see we've got the the gimbal cover. A different way for these. These basically you can open either one of these independently of the other. Before the Mini 2, you literally had to move the front ones out of the way so the back ones could get up. So that's a welcome change. You don't have to worry about what one you start on. The other thing, the Mini 2 had a door for the battery. This is actually just the whole battery here. Once you charge it, that activates the battery. Here's the gimbal and a couple other pieces. We'll put those right there. I kind of save stuff like that, I don't know why. After getting a video of this, I can know exactly how to put it back together if I send it back. They'll be like, why'd you send it back? It looks brand new. Most of my stuff is brand new after years of using it. I will say my Mini 2 has had unfortunate collisions with different things, but just the blades get a little bit chipped, or not even chipped, but just dented a little bit. Still runs. So the first thing to notice is the feet. 2 on the battery and 2 right here. Nothing on the arms, so I'll probably have to 3D print something to hold it up a little bit higher because it's pretty low. All that being said, though, I usually start my drone from my hand or from a flat surface and then catch it in my hand when it comes down. So charge to activate the intelligent battery. Okay, so my assumption is the battery has about half a charge. Again, I don't have a charger, so I'll have to charge it with a USB-C, and the controller will also have to be charged before we try setting it up in the world. Alright, controller time. Alright, C1, C2. One of these is you press it and the gimbal points from out or wherever it's at straight down, and you press it again, it'll come back looking straight out. And I don't remember what the other one's for. I think it's the zoom assist. However, we've got the gimbal control on the left and we have a zoom control, and because there's such high resolution involved, you can zoom in quite far without, you know, dipping into the you know, making it too digital. There's recording for video and recording for camera separate. So if you're in camera mode, you just click this once, it goes to video mode, you click it again to start recording. Of course, we have the housings. These are interesting, little nuts. I'll have to change my thumb design. Hopefully these are decent. I did not care for the other ones, so I might have to just 3D print something that can be worked on. We have the cine mode, we have normal and sport, head to home and pause, and power. So let's see what power is. Yeah, so as I expected, 50%. So, well, this feels pretty good, but I do like my controls. I don't know if my controls would work as good on this because of these gaps in here. Anyway, alright, so let's see what we got here. Micro SD and a separate USB-C, I think, as a host. I'm not sure what that means. So yeah, we got the USB-C. We'll be sure to put one of the USB-Cs in, or micro SDs in there. And that's host. I'm not sure exactly what that means. It might be just for programming. For example, maybe there's an update for this that comes from a PC. You would plug into this to program it probably. And this is probably charge only, but I don't know. And here's some lanyard keyring inserts. I think they're 4mm, if I remember right. No, I think these are 4mm. I think these might be 6.5. So, little heat exchanger there. All in all, that's really nice. Let's see if it powers up. It should. First off, it's quite bright. So I might just force it off until we get fully charged. Or maybe I'll do quick settings. Yeah, I'll turn it off. We'll kill it. It should turn off after holding it for a while. There we go. Alright, so that's my Mini 3 Pro unboxing. We'll do some testing as soon as it gets charged up.